Want the smoothest gameplay, sharper visuals, and zero lag with your NVIDIA graphics card? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best NVIDIA app settings for gaming, step by step, so you can get the most out of your GPU, whether you're playing competitive shooters or open-world games. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the NVIDIA app. On the left sidebar, click on Graphics Settings. At the top, make sure you're under Global Settings. Let's now configure each setting for maximum performance. Set RTX Dynamic Vibrance to off in Global Settings. Why? Because this feature enhances color contrast using AI, and while it's helpful in some games, it's better to manually enable it per game to avoid overprocessing your screen. I personally use it only for specific games, especially ones with darker visuals where spotting enemies is harder. CUDA GPUs, set this to your NVIDIA GPU, not auto. DSR factors, turn this off. Image scaling turn off unless you specifically use it to boost performance at lower resolutions. Set Low Latency Mode to on for snappier response time. But a heads up, if your game already has its own low latency or reflex setting, turning this on can cause stutters, so test it per game. Max frame rate, turn this off unless you want to limit FPS manually. Power Management Mode, always set this to prefer maximum performance for smoother gameplay. Shader cache size set to driver default. If you're experiencing game stuttering, try 1 GB or 5 GB. Vertical Sync VSync set to use the 3D application setting. That way you control it from inside each game. Virtual Reality Variable Rate Super Sampling right. Turn this off if you're not using VR. On the sidebar, click on Settings, then scroll down to the Features section. Here's what to do. NVIDIA Overlay. If you use Shadow Play, game filters, or recording features, keep this on. If not, turn it off to save system resources. Game filters turn off unless you use them for visuals or accessibility. Automatically download drivers. I recommend turning this off so you can manually control when to update your drivers, especially if you prefer stability. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more GPU tuning, optimization guides, and gaming performance tips. Catch you in the next one.